welcome to Day in the Life of Gen Z. Today we're going to be talking with Matt Burns. He is with longtime Gen Z Consortium member Samtec, and he is the Technical Marketing Manager at Samtec. Hi, Matt. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Rachel. How are you today?
Good. Good. How are you doing?
Doing well, and I'm looking forward to launching the vlog series, here at Gen Z.
Great. We appreciate you doing this, so thanks so much. I'm going to jump straight into my first question, and that is, what prompted Samtec to join the Gen Z Consortium?
When Samtec looks across the technological landscape, we see a lot of trends that are ubiquitous across the industry. Open system interconnect, disaggregated memory, the constant challenge to get data from point A to point B as quickly as possible. And we see Gen Z as a leader in a lot of those spaces. So participating within the Gen Z organization, Gen Z Consortium, really allows us to be at the tip of the spear for a lot of those technologies.
So are there any specific benefits for participating within the consortium for Samtec?
Yeah, there's multiple. I think one of the biggest ones is the ability to help chart the course of the technology within Gen Z via collaborative relationships, working with technology leaders that make up the Gen Z roster. That's an opportunity we always look forward to, and it helps us to not only contribute to where the industry is going, but also to participate and help it to define some of the product roadmap that we have.
Okay, well, so speaking of that, how has Gen Z technology impacted Samtec's developments?
That's a great question, and that's fair since we're talking about Gen Z technology. We really are looking at multiple solutions that play across the Gen Z ecosystem that Samtec can contribute as a interconnect provider or a connector provider. One of the first solutions we have is our HSEC6-DV edge card connector system. This is compliant to the SFF-1002 spec for card edge connectors within Gen Z. So we've launched those, we've demonstrated those to performance of 56 GPM 32 gigabit per second NRZ performance for a lot of the protocols that go there. One of the other trends that we're seeing within Gen Z is getting data from point A to point B doesn't always go through a PCB. So our flyover technology, using our ultra-low skew twin-ax cables, finds many applications within Gen Z. A good example of that is the media box demonstration that Samtec participated in the Gen Z booth, both at Supercomputing 19 and also the Flash Memory Summit last year as well.
Yeah.
And then, sorry. And then finally, we're also working on a PECFF test solution targeted at acceleration and testing, so that system integrators and chipset designers can actually have a scalable platform to test the performance of their solutions within a real-world Gen Z system.
Cool. Yeah, I remember seeing you at those shows. So they were really good demos. I think it was great to be able to see it in action there. So one final question. Do you feel that standards bodies are important for industry development and transitions growth in industries? How do you feel like having an open standard impacts Samtec?
Well, it affects us a great deal. In addition to Gen Z, we participate in a number of open standards communities or efforts that span a number of applications. Gen Z obviously is focused in on network performance, increasing the optimization from getting data from point A to point B. But again, participating in open standards efforts like Gen Z gives us the opportunity to collaborate with technology leaders and to really help chart the course of where the technology is going. One of the other things too that we find about standards bodies is that typically when we work with someone in one area, that usually opens doors to new solutions, whether that's through a joint development or collaboration or working with a new partner or developing an application specific solution. So there's a ton of benefits. We're glad to be here at Gen Z, and we look forward to working with the rest of the Gen Z community to continue to move that technology forward for the industry.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Matt. It was wonderful chatting with you today, and we appreciate Samtec's involvement with the consortium as well as your own. You've done a great job participating and engaging with consortium membership. So thanks a bunch for being a part of it, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you, Rachel, and we appreciate the kind words, and we look forward to more opportunities to work within the community.
Great. See you later. Bye, Matt.
Thanks, Rachel.